Hey everyone, this is John with the Digital Growth Community brought to you by B.O.S. Solutions, Be Your Own Self Solution. And I'm here to be your blue collar problem solver for everyone in the service industry, electricians, plumbers. I know I'm forgetting stuff, but if you provide a service to people, you are sitting on assets, plain and simple, if you're not utilizing them. And just like me, you think if you're not physically there, you're not doing work. Well, why not provide value even when you're not physically there? That is my goal for you because I get asked questions all the time, and I was like, well, why don't I provide a guide uh, or even courses? You can do a variety of different things, and you can choose it. And if you feel like you're not creative like that or something like that, well, there's people out there that will help you. And with the digital growth community, the great thing about them is it's a one-time investment. And if you want to have somebody set this up for you, they have people certified in the community to do that. And you get the launch pad, that's $100 value, a beginner friendly starter system, the passive daily pay, set up income streams that hit your account daily, the digital mastery, advanced strategies to scale and automate. Those are the things that you can do. You're sitting on your assets. The legacy program with all four is where you acquire the resale rights for every single program in here. You can sell them individually, the Launchpad, the passive daily pay, digital mastery legacy program. And what I have done in addition to this is I've set up my own system. It's called the Blue Collar Instant Value System, Blue Collar IV System. And you're probably sitting there asking, what exactly is it you get? Well, I break it down. You provide the value and problems you solve every day. You can put that into a system. And some of this you can provide value when you're not there 24/7. You have a website that's working for you, regardless if you're there or not. And I'm offering a free mini course with the blue collar IV system. And then if you want to go to the advanced one, that's where you can invest in exactly how you can do it. And we help you along with that. We provide the the product that helps you categorize problems you solve every day and how to organize those so you can bring that additional value even when you're not working, so to speak, physically there. So I'm trying to break this down as a blue collar instant value system for you so you can present it to your customers and bring additional value. The legacy program with the four programs you get, it's a total of $900. And you're thinking right now, I know you're thinking, oh, this is some pyramid thing or something like that. Well, the reason I am in this program is because that doesn't happen. Michelle O'Neill is the one that started this community, the digital growth community. And once you pay your one-time investment, it's $900. And if that's a lot at once, like I thought it was, well, I broke it down and they call it the afterpay program. I did four payments at 250. What I also did, and the other thing you pay for is a website, but you can do this. And I paid for somebody to do the back, the off-screen stuff to set it up so the call to action, the click funnel, the videos, the free guide blueprint for the legacy program comes to you flawlessly and with no hiccups. And for me, because I am not, that's not my lane. I paid for somebody to do that. It was $250, but they have people that are certified in the community that will do it for you in a lot less time than if somebody like me or somebody else would try to do it for you. I could spend all day doing it, probably still be wrong, you know. So I know my wheelhouse, but the number one reason I am still with this program and compounding the value I provide to you every day and compounding the effort and the 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 grit, lack of better words, but I'm trying to provide you value so you can help somebody out in whatever niche you're in. It doesn't make a difference. And I know the blue collar instant value system can break this down for you so you know exactly what you're getting. That's what I'm trying to do in addition with the legacy program. It's as simple as that. You get your website, you set it up, and that's working for you 24/7. Make that hamster wheel go, you know, and that compounds, that creates momentum, that creates leverage. That's the thing. You want to leverage your assets towards the value you are bringing to your customers. Leverage equals value. Value equals a system. A system equals recurring income. It's as simple as that. And if there's any questions, the community is live 24/7. There's somebody from all over the world, and there's testimonials with the digital growth community that proves how it's working for them. So, love to help you out. I got a phone call, so let's make this happen. See you there.